Ever tried uploading a Pages document to DocuSign and hit a wall? Let's smash through that barrier and get your documents signed. First things first, DocuSign doesn't directly support the Pages format, so we need to convert it to a compatible file type, like PDF. Open your document in Apple Pages. Next, click on File in the top menu bar. Now, select Export to from the drop-down menu. Choose PDF. This will open a new window with PDF export options. Here, you can adjust the image quality and other settings if needed. For most documents, the best quality setting works great. Once you're happy with the settings, click the Export button. Choose a location on your computer to save the PDF file, give it a descriptive name, and click Save. Now, head over to DocuSign and start a new envelope. Click on the Upload button. Locate the PDF file you just saved and select it. DocuSign will now upload your converted document. From here, you can add recipients, place signature fields, and send your document out for signing just like any other PDF, and that's it. You've successfully used a Pages document in DocuSign.